Hey guys, me again. Just to let you know, there's a cheaper way to smoke cigarettes if you want to. Alright? Look right here. This will get you started. It's 50 bucks. It'll pay off in the long run, but trust me, it's worth it. 50 bucks, cigarette rolling machine, buy it at a smoke shack or I don't know, some whatever smoke store you get. This whole bag of tobacco, guess how much it costs? I think it's Alright, so 16 ounces. Isn't that 1 pound? Yeah, a pound of tobacco for $10, bro. And then you get a case of tubes, costs like $3. 200 menthol cigarette filter tubes. So for $3, you get 200 cigarettes. And I bought another one because I didn't care. I mean, it's like $3. So let's just subtract this. So it's like I buy 10, 13, 16. So 16 bucks, I get 400 cigarettes, and that would last me like a month easy. I mean, I'm a heavy smoker and last me a month. This is how it works. You have a chamber right here. You take the tobacco, you put it right in there, just squish it in there a bit like that. Then you take the tube, put it in there like so, and then shoot, all right, and then you go like this. So as soon as I cocked it right in the middle, right here, and it's locked, the rubber is actually holding onto the tube, so it's gonna hold on the tube while the tobacco gets inserted. Oh shoot. Alright, see, watch this. Bam. One cigarette for you, bro. All packed up. Packed up nice. Alright guys. If you're thinking about not quitting but saving money, just get all this shit. Just get all this. Like for real. Alright guys. Later.